Hello and welcome back to my workshop. So anybody who follows my channel knows that I build everything from reclaimed wood. It's usually pallet wood, but not always. I recently answered an advert on Facebook Marketplace for some rotten fence posts. There had been a storm. The fence had come down, been taken down by a contractor, gardening contractor, and they just wanted to get rid of the old rotten stuff, and it was just advertised as firewood. So I said, yep, I'll take it. And I went along, and the bottom of the posts were like this. So you'd think, well, you know, that was rotten wood, really good for nothing. But I don't believe in giving up on a lost cause. So I brought the wood home and chopped the end, the rotten bit off, and there's perfectly good wood all the way through. So yeah, okay, I've got to lose a foot of the post, but the bit that's been in the ground probably, the rest of it is perfectly good. 2 or 3 passes through my planer, thickness planer, and I have a perfectly good post of wood, which is sort of, I don't know, is that a 4x4? And I mean, I don't know my woods, but it seems a pretty hard wood. I don't think it's pine. And I guess being a fence post, would they maybe use hardwood to make it last longer? I don't know. But anyway, and it's heavy as well. So I really don't think it's pine. I really think it is some sort of harder wood than pine. But you know, that is a lovely piece of wood, and if somebody offered me that, I would jump at it. And yet, 20 minutes ago, it was that. So you know, look on Facebook Marketplace, especially after a storm. There'll be plenty of people who have had fence down and had it replaced with a new fence, and they just want to get rid of the old stuff so that they don't have to go to the tip and take it themselves. Go along, see what's there, and take the good stuff. I don't normally take the slats because they usually are rotten all the way through, but the big fence posts, the 4x4 fence posts, well worth taking home.